Notre Dame High School in Los Angeles, California, was looking for a company to add a solar energy system to a parking structure that would offer shade for cars as well as generate their own clean energy, which would save money on the school's costly electricity bills. It starts with the perfect set of plans, engineered to include structural calculations, wind load, and all city and county regulations. Next is the racking, which serves as the structural skeleton. This was a custom solution designed to fit as requested. Then panels are installed and each row grows down the length of the parking structures. A key part of the system is the CPS inverter, which converts the DC current produced by the high-quality Trina solar panels into AC current that is used by all of us. Notre Dame High School is doing its part to help the environment by going solar. Renewable energy is the future, and the future is now.